What's up mga parts? Another day, another vlog. This is Baron Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga parts, let's go to Cebu Ocean Park, the largest oceanarium here in the Philippines. And ngayon mga parts, nandito na tayo sa lobby ng Citadine Cebu. By the way mga parts, if you're looking for a place to stay here in Cebu, yan, I have it in my YouTube channel, my full tour and review. Check that out. And now, we're heading to Cebu Ocean Adventure or Cebu Ocean Park. Medyo bago-bago pa itong mga parts. Pero na-excite ako kasi nakita ko merong penguin feeding opportunity. So parang yun yung gusto ko. Actually, this is very spontaneous. Wala akong plan talaga. But yun nga, since nakita ko sa Klook, ay merong mga bagong attraction doon. And ang tagal ko na ata hindi pa nakapag-Ocean Park. Parang sobrang tagal na. So ngayon i-try natin dito sa Cebu. And I booked this ticket in Klook for only 800. So today is a Sunday mga parts. Different yung rates kung weekdays and weekends. So pag weekends it's 800 and for weekdays it's 600. So let's go mga parts. Samahan nyo ako. Naghihintay lang ako ng Grab going there. It cost 280 pesos. So yun. Let's go mga parts.
Uno, dos, tres.
Mga parts, and we're here sa Cebu Ocean Park. Ang lapit lang niya pala mga parts. Ayan na yung Ocean Park entrance and ito na yung SM Seaside Cebu. So later mga parts, punta din tayo dyan. But for now, let's go! Yes, we're in mga parts. So pinakita ko lang yung QR code ko and yeah. It's 800 pesos. And there's a photo booth over here which is, sabi nila ay free daw. So let's try it. So mga parts, ang galing. Libre lang dito sa photo booth. Yan o, soft copy and then they will give you, ayan, yung mga photos na pwede nyo i-save. Punta kayo dito, daan kayo when you go here pag entrance para meron kayong souvenir na agad. And mga parts, it's free. So now let's go and punta na tayo dito sa loob. Wow! Mga parts, we're here. Ay, wow, may isda dito. Pagpasok na, yun na pala agad yun. So may mga ano na dito, aquarium. Wow! Electric yellows. Ano to? Ah! Tuko. Siya makita. Saan siya? And then, ay ang galing mga parts, ano siya, PWD friendly. So pag mayroon kayo mga PWD. Wow! Ang laki. So this is red-bellied paku. Oh my God, so big. Ganda mga parts, ang laki ng isda. Oh my God, it's so big. Grabe, matutuwa yung mga kids. And matatakot sila mochi and matcha. Sobrang laki ng fish. Wow. Wow. And there's water on top of my head. Mga parts, meron din silang mga hindi fish like this one, iguana. Ang laki. Ay, dalawa sila over there. Oh my God, they're so big. No flash photography. Oh, wow. Ito naman yung maliliit. Ay, hello there, Mr. Iguana. Oh my God, so good. Ay, so good tulog. So nice. Wow. Oh my God. Ang ganda mga parts. You should go here. I didn't expect na ganito kaganda dito mga pards. I am just enjoying my free time sana, but this is so good. Uy, Blue Tongue's King. And dito naman, may mga turtles din. Over here is spider. Oh my God. Mga price yung 800. I think it's super sulit. Gosh, ang laki ng snake. This is Burmese python. Oh, hedgehogs. Gecko. Oh, gecko. Eh, bearded dragon. Where is it? Mga parts, may close encounter din sa snake. Oh my God. Ay. So kung adventurous kayo mga parts, go, hawakan yung mga ahas. Pwede. Now, let's go to the Ocean Park second floor. And now, dito naman tayo mga parts sa lorries o yung mga birds sa second floor. Ah, ito yung pwedeng magpa-picture. There, may bayad. Sana makakita tayo ng birds. Lorries Loft. Ay! Hello! Ang cute. Ayan o. Pwede nyo hawakan. May bayan nyo. Shout out to Shop with Kel and Choco Martin. Kung gusto nyo ng mga birds, meron po sila dito sa Cebu Ocean Park. Hindi lang siya pang mga dagat-dagat. May mga birds din sila. Ang daming birds. Nice. So nice. Ayan o. Doon tayo galing kanina mga parts. Now we're here at the second floor. Lorries Loft. May close encounter with the birds mga parts. Go na kayo dito. Mga parts yun palang bird feeding. It's 100 pesos. So if you want to experience that, yeah, like this one. It's 100 pesos. Now we are here at the third floor, Seven Seas. Seven Seas. Wow! Oh my God, ang ganda! Ganda mga parts. Matutuwa yung mga bata. Look. Tapos meron dito na 360 degree na ano. Pwede kang pumasok doon. Pasok tayo later. Ay, ang ganda. Under the sea. Oh, very colorful. Ay, totoo kaya yun? Parang hindi. Wow! So nice. Ay, ang daming Nemo. Ayun mga parts, oh. There's a lot of Nemos and Dory. Ayan, no. Friends talaga sila. So, Finding Nemo talaga sila. Ito naman, Defense School of Fish. Sergeant Major. Ganda. I love it. So, ngayon mga parts, let's go. Pwede pong pumasok. So, mga parts, let's go. Ay, mababa pala siya.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Okay. Exit. Ang galing. Anemone, glow in the dark. And ano to? Ang ganda nito. So mga parts, I think nandito na tayo sa activity part. Dito yung mga marine life experience. So you need to pay extra if you want to like snorkel or swim with the stingray. That's 1,200. Sea trek, it's 1,500. Yun yung maglalakad kayo with the scuba divers. Like here, like this. Ito dito yung mga show. Ay, dito yung mga show. Dito yung mga water experience and close encounter with the sea life. Mga parts, ganito pala kakapal yun. Yung mga glass. Ngayon dito mga isda. Yan din yung mga nandun sa aquarium. Oh my God! There's a stingray! Oh my God! Ang dami! Wow! So mga parts, pag nagutom kayo, mayroon din silang mga stall or booth over here. Like this one, frozen waves. So, ice cream and cone, 100 pesos. 50 pesos. So, yeah. Mga parts, so far, I think we're just in the middle of the tour. But, so far, so good. I'm really having a good time here in Cebu Ocean Park. O, meron naman dito, fish pa. So yan, may bayad din yan. Basta yung mga extra activity, then they have additional charge. And napansin ko lang mga parts, one way lang siya. So hindi ata kayo pwedeng bumalik. Parang dire-diretso lang dapat. Ano naman ito? So kaya, kung may pupuntahan kayo, dapat sure kayo. Parang bawal doon bumalik. Ayan, may mga food kiosk din over here. And dito naman is the bird show schedule. So merong 2 p.m., 4 p.m. yung bird show. Pero ngayon, it's 1:30, so 30 minutes pa. Let's check lang kung meron ng tao. Bird show. Oh, here. Ayun, saya. Manood tayo later ng bird show. For now, balik muna tayo doon. Oh my God, mga parts. Ito na yung Penguin Cafe. Shit. Oh my God. Sorry about that. I'm excited to see the penguins. Sana merong penguins sa feeding session. Ay, ano to? Ay, hindi pala. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that a crocodile? Hindi ko lang alam kung nakita kayo. Ang laki niya. There's a crocodile. Ay, mga parts, ito na ang oceanarium, the biggest oceanarium in the Philippines. And syempre, mga parts, ang dami pong tao today. But, ito po is... Ngayon na mga parts, ito na yung oceanarium. We will be walking here and see the... Oh my God! Stingray! Yay! So nice. Ang laki na mga parts. And there's a shark. There's a shark. Ganda. So nice. You should go here. Mga parts, ang dami ditong mga isda and shark and stingray. Sobrang lapit. Oh my God. Oh, the shark. Wow. Oh my God. Ganda. Grabe mga parts. Sobrang sulit naman pala dito. Ang dami. Super sulit. Ang saya mga parts. You should try this. It's very, very close. Lalo na kung mayroon kayo mga kids. Kids at heart like me. So by the way mga parts, I'm a BS Biology. Kaya I really appreciate this kind of activities. Super ganda. Oh my God. Wala akong masabi. What more kung may mga close encounter ka pa, diba? So yeah, sulit na po yung 800 at this very moment. So ang daming tao ngayon because it's a Sunday. So explore pa tayo here. Dalawa yung parang nila, tube nila. Here meron din. So sakto mga parts, it's 1:57 p.m. and mag-start na yung bird show at 2 p.m. So saktohan na lang yung mga show mga parts. Meron ng 2 p.m., meron ding 4 p.m. So now we're here waiting for the show to start.
At the Richard Heart is blue. Now today they'll battling it out to this friendly battle, we can divide you guys into two groups. Now all the boys who cheer for blue say, Go blue! Go blue! And all the girls who cheer for Azul say, Go Azul! Go Azul! And now, are you ready for the basketball game? Uy, wala mo yung mga energy. Are you guys ready? Now birds ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go, let's go bird, let's go blue, let's go Azul. Oh, first ball for both birds. Second ball for blue, followed by Azul. And who's winning? Blue wins this game. Sayang Azul. Now trainer Mary, you lose this game. What can you say?
Only trainer Martin will another round.
Birds are also known as a Philippine green parrot, or locally known as Picoy. Now did you know guys na Yoshi right there is featured at the back of our 500 peso bill? Ano siya na bird na makita sa tulikod sa to. Right there with trainer Vince is our Molukian Kakato named Snow. Right there with trainer Mark is our sulfur crested Kakato named Tweety. Right there with trainer Nix is our umbrella crested Kakato.
So mga pards, tapos na yung bird show and we're back here sa Oceanarium. And ayan, wala na masyado mga tao kasi mga pards, andun silang lahat sa bird show. So now we're back to touring the Oceanarium. Let's go! Pero try nyo talaga makapanood ng bird show. Sulit, maganda. Yung galing mga pards, so merong nagtitrek na bata. Ah, ang cute. And mga pards, meron ditong aqua dining where you can dine. So meron ditong appetizers which is 395 yung presyo, 390. They also have main courses like base beef. Yan mga pards. So pause nyo na lang to if you are interested to dine here. But what is amazing here is that you have a view of that aquarium. So let's go and check that out. Wow! So yun mga pards, meron ditong dining cafe that you have a view. Aqua dining yung tawag. Okay. Yun nga lang mga parts, parang dun sa aqua dining, medyo wala kang privacy. Kasi syempre madami mga tao na nagpupunta or kumakain. So, yeah. Pero meron din dito na, oh, wow, what's this? Wow! Glow in the dark. Parang art lights. Wow! So nice.
너네 화장실 갈까?
That's nice.
아니 시간이야 안 해?
Ganda. Wow, glow in the dark. Pero may nakita ko dito mga parts na parang bar din na may mga jellyfishes. Tahan natin. Parang bar. And this is the aqua bar, I think. Ah, yeah, aqua bar. Ay, ditong bar. Mga parts, glow in the dark. Aqua hand roll bar. Wow. Nagulat ako pala yun. Ang daming jellyfish. Nice. Ganda. So yung mga nangangati sa jellyfish. Oh my God mga parts, nandito na tayo sa penguin. Sana maka-close encounter tayo ng penguins mga parents. Although alam ko may bayad, pero tingnan natin, baka worth it naman. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Ay, gusto ko din sa Penguin Cafe actually. Hala mga parents, wala yung mga penguins. They're not here. Oh. Baka may time lang siya. Wala yung penguins dire. So, let's ask kung anong oras. Here naman mga parts is the Penguin Cafe. They have Ice Americano 140, Signature Ice Latte. Up to 170 yung presyo sa Penguin Cafe. So, tingnan natin what is the time to see the penguin. Ito na yung Penguin Cafe. Oh, it's super nice. So nice. Oh, nandito yung mga penguins. Oh my God, they're here. Oh, hello. Penguins are here. And they're swimming underwater. Hello. Here. There. So mga parents, may bayad na 700 yung Feed the Penguins pero bawal magdala ng camera. So dito na lang natin sila tingnan. Ayan o, kasi baka daw matakot. So there, yung Feed the Penguins. Ay, cute. Cute. Happy people. Cute. It's in yung last, hindi na tayo nag-feed the penguins kasi yun nga, bawal magdala ng video or camera kasi matatakot yung mga penguins. That's okay. Nakita naman natin sila ng malapitan na and may nag-feed naman, so na-experience na rin natin. So dito naman may mga souvenirs. So here, like this one, it's 800 for this stop toy. And for the penguin, it's how much is the penguin? Baka 800 din siya. Ah, wala siyang presyo. Yeah. But for this seahorse, for example, 1,300. So, I think merong sizes. Kasi itong shark, it's 950. Yeah. And I think ano naman, sinimo. I think high quality naman siya. So, yung mga bata, they will love those stuff. So, ito yung last part, mga parts ng Ocean Park Cebu. Cebu Ocean Park. Meron din dito mga toys, tumblers. Uy! Cute. And keychain. The keychain is how much? Walang presyo. But, ang presyo. Ah, ayun pala. 145, 160, 180 for the rep magnet. Here, they also have shirts and so many things. So, there you have it mga parts. Tapos na natin explore itong Cebu Ocean Park and so far, so good. You must try to experience this one mga parts kasi sulat na yung 800 and super nag-enjoy. Especially if you have kids and banding for family and again, it's only 800 pesos via Klook. And yeah, sobrang lapit lang dito sa city and just in front of the Cebu SMC side Cebu. So yun mga parts, and I hope nagkain kayo ng idea if ever you're going here, what to do in Cebu, and if ever you're looking for a place to stay. I have a lot of vlogs here in Cebu and things to do, where to eat. So I hope that you can find it in my YouTube channel. But parts, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and if you have additional questions, just comment down below. And you may also follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok also at Biyaherong Bong. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube video, stay safe and healthy. Pero mga parts, bago ang lahat, parang gusto ko explore itong Libache Art Cafe. So let's see, tingnan natin, baka we can eat over here kasi we still have time. Our flight is at 10 p.m. pa, so may time pa tayo. So let's go.
But I know they won't